Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all. My name is Arif Ganesh from Group PLC 8. Now I will demonstrate the video for Lab 2, which is a bottle filling. Bottle filling function. Okay, so now we will move on to the first one, our first program block, which is the system operation. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the push button start, HMI start, PB stop, and HMI stop with using this set reset function. So here demonstrate. Okay, so currently the system is off. So when I turn on and I release the button, the system will stay on. Okay. So if I press off, baby stop, the system will stop. Okay. Now, if we look into the HMI, okay. So over here in the HMI, it's the same thing, but much more simpler. Okay. If I press start, the system will turn on. If I press stop, the system will off. So both of this is in synchronization, as you can see here. Okay, the system will be turned on, and the system will turn off. Okay. So now I will show the mode selection. This is a very simple program, which is we use IO2 as a mode selection switch, and then we use the output of a memory. We name it mode indicator to show whether it's in automatic or manual. So currently, if the toggle is off in zero, it means it is in a manual state. If I turn on, if I push the button equals to 1, it is in a automatic um, automatic mode. Okay. So for example here, okay, I turn on the mode selection switch. Okay. Now it's in the automatic. Is here, the mode is in automatic mode. And then if I turn it off back, it will become manual mode. Okay. So now I will go to the manual first. Okay. So if you can see here in the auto, the auto mode, okay, it is quite simple. Okay. So this, when the system is on, the system status indicator, it will turn on, and then we turn on the mode selection switch into the auto, and then we will turn on the auto move. Okay. So the bottle will move if the bottle position is below 480. It will increase by 1 for every not every second, but every time the clock of 10 hertz turn on. Okay. So now I will reset it back to 0. Wait. Before that, okay, you see here, we set the level and the temperature, is everything is okay. So the bottle filling timer will turn on, and then it will set. So the limit switch, the function is to make the bottle automatically go under the nozzle. So let me reset here. So now it's in 0. You can see here in automatic. Okay. You see the bottle start to move. Okay. So the bottle will keep on moving until it reaches this nozzle. Okay. Okay, see? So now the bottle is directly under the nozzle. Okay. So you can see the temperature and the tank level is still in zero because we haven't turned on the analog yet. Okay, so uh, wait. Okay, so for the level sensor and the temperature sensor, we have to first set the value in the using analog mode. So go here to the level sensor and set to any value you want. So now we can see the current temperature is 98 degree and the tank level is 98 liter. Okay, so if hold on. Okay, so for example, if I put here 0, okay, you see that the temperature is currently 54 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for the limit switch, okay, we go back to the wait. Okay, so okay, now if the level reach between 0 and 100, the current level okay and the temperature okay. So if everything is okay, then the condition is okay. So that means we don't need to wait for the refill the water tank and waiting for the water to reheat. Okay. So back in the auto mode, I will show the limit switch function. So I reset it back to zero position. Okay. Now, okay. Limit switch. Okay. So you can see the limit switch. If I turn on it, I will automatically go under the nozzle. Okay. You see, it's already under the nozzle. Okay. So now I will go to the alarm section. Okay. So the alarm will only be turned on if the position is is larger than the sorry the is bigger than 480. Okay, so currently wait. Mhm. Okay, animation rectangle. Wait. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, you see here, the alarm will turn on because it is slightly uh like, the position is slightly off from the nozzle. So because in the automatic, I've set the limit to 480, but basically the value is more than one. So so here the alarm also supposed to be yes. Okay, so the alarm will work perfectly. Okay, now as said in the assessment, we need if I turn on the manual mode, the alarm will turn off. Okay, so let's just go here and then I turn off the mode selection switch. Okay, now the alarm will turn off. Okay, now we will go to the manual side. Okay, in the manual diagram, you can see here. Okay, so the current position is 0. Okay, so we can move the position to left, to right or left using the HNF mine. Okay, so now I'll demonstrate that. Okay, here, here, wait. So, So with the PB right, okay. So if I keep on pressing this, I see the bottle started to move slightly. Okay, so I can hit this until it reaches under the nozzle. You see here, and keep on moving. Okay, now I can go. I can make it go to the left and right. So the manual works just fine. You see here. Okay. So the HMI conveyor right and left. Okay. Supposedly over here, the manual side, we should include a button for and right. Okay. Here we can go to the properties. Okay. First we go to the event. When you press, you can add function. You go to the edit bits, set bit. Okay. Here. First we choose the um, uh, 10, 10. So this is left. So we use push button left. Okay. And then on the release one, we choose also the same edit bits, but now we use reset bit. You can set here HMI conveyor left. Oh, okay. Okay, now it's working. We'll do the same for the right hand side. Set bit. Sorry, this is reset. Set bit. Set bit. Okay. This is right. Yes. Reset it. Maybe. Okay. So now just go to properties. Yes. Design. Yeah. At the moment. Wait. Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay, wait a second. So, never mind. Okay. So, if you see, okay, you see here, it starts to move a bit. Okay. Okay, when I press left and right, the bottle will start to move. Okay. So, alarm system looks fine. Okay. So you can see here, okay, the alarm will keep on running, but if we switch off the manual, if we switch to the manual mode, the alarm will turn off in here, alarm status. So because we now can use manual mode to move the bottle left and right. Okay. So in terms of functionality, everything's just fine. We can click manual, can stop here, we can start back on, can press on the manual, can left or right. Okay, in the automatic, if we can turn on the mode selection. Okay, if you get turn on the selection, we'll go reset the position. Okay, reset the position, the bottle will keep on moving on itself. Okay, and if we turn on the limit switch, the bottle will automatically be under the nozzle, the alarm. Okay, you see for 480. So if we set one, okay, oh wait, sorry. Okay, the limit switch will turn on. Okay, and it's 481. The alarm should be turned on, but we have to remember the alarm here inside here. We must always properties, animations, rectangle, appearance. Okay, set here. And then we rerun the transmission. Okay, and then alarm button on. Okay, so I have showed every functionality, and also we have all the required uh, function. I think that's all from me. Thank you.